how to scan QR code on Android device. In this video, I will guide you 2 methods through which you can scan any QR code you want. This will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. The first and easy way is through Google Lens. This application will be in your phone by default. Once found, open it. It will work as camera. You can search anything through this. Also, this is not only for QR codes, so tap here on this camera icon and scan your QR code like I am doing right now. It will extract the link on the screen. The second way to scan is absolutely simple. Go to Play Store and search for QR code scanner. Tap on this with 500 million S downloads. Install it, and it will take a couple of seconds. Also depends upon your internet speed. Once installed, open it. And there you go. Scan any QR you want. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.